Hello everyone, in today's video we're gonna take a look at REPLIT and DATABUTTON to see which one is better. So we're gonna take a look at this list. So we have some features. Now we have ease of use, the first one. So REPLIT browser-based IDE with real-time multiplayer, great for teams and learners. DATABUTTON, no-code AI agent workflow, step-by-step building of full-stack apps. The next feature, AI capabilities. REPLIT, Ghostwriter AI suggestions, supports multi-language and mobile coding. DATABUTTON, AI-driven plan, code, debug cycle, built-in backend deployment ready. Pricing, REPLIT offers a free tier plus Pro, which is around $10 to $20 per month. DATABUTTON starter plans, $20 up to $50 monthly plans with included code generation credits. So here we have best for. So if you choose REPLIT, it's basically for beginners, educators and teams who want instant start, browser access and collaboration. DATABUTTON, non-coders or solo creators aiming to build, deploy and iterate full-stack SaaS apps with guided AI help. So I really hope you found this video helpful, guys. Thanks for watching.